Alright guys, today we're going to be removing the alternator on a 1997 F250 7.3 liter diesel. You start out, which I already did, by removing the negatives from each side of the battery. Right there. Next we're going to go into removing the pulley. Just right here. This should be a 3/4 inch drive, I think. We're gonna find out here in a minute. I'll let you know. I'm gonna pause this video and then I'll show you what to do from there. Alright, using a 3/4 with the help of a cheater bar, we're gonna crank on this pulley to our left and it should free up this belt. I don't know if I can do this with one hand. I'm gonna try. We'll see. Yep, I'm gonna have to do it with two hands, and I'm gonna pause this video and show you after. Alright, two hands did the trick. So this belt came off. It was on top of here. Now it's not. So the next thing is there's 3 bolts right here, right here, right here. You can remove. I believe it's 1/2 inch. Yep, 1/2 inch. There's a tab to pull. Unplug this and pull this out the back. Once I do all that, I'm gonna show you what to do from there. Alright, I remove this plug from here, this plug from here, and I forgot to tell you that it's a 10mm nut holding on back there. So I'm going to remove that. I'm going to pull it out. I'm going to show you guys what to do from there. Alright, alternator's removed. It should look something like this. It's taken out. I'm going to show you guys how to put the new one back in. It's the same steps, it's just backwards. So stay tuned. Alright, we just dropped in a brand new Ultima Select alternator for this. You're going to just redo the steps. So bolt, bolt, another bolt. We're going to plug these back in here in a second. I'm going to attach this back to this once I get these all nice and snug, and I'm going to show you how to put back on the belt, and we'll go from there. Alright, everything's back in place, all snug, back on. I'm going to attempt with two hands and a little bit of help to pull this tension pulley back over and have the belt put on so you guys can see it. Let's see if we can do it one-handed. Okay, just like that. And then don't forget to reattach both of the negatives back on. That's all there is to it, guys. Thank you.